Oxidation. Chemical properties of alkenes. Complete combustion. Ethylene burns in oxygen and forms carbon dioxide and water. Write the equation. Third property, hot and cold alkaline KMnO4. Let us take the first one, cold and dilute alkaline KMnO4 solution. This solution is known as Bayes reagent. This reagent is used to test unsaturated compound. That means whether a compound is unsaturated or not. If it is unsaturated, the pink color of the Bayes reagent decolorizes or color disappears. Therefore, that compound is considered as an unsaturated compound. When alkenes are treated with cold dilute aqueous or alkaline solution, potassium permanganate, two hydroxyl groups are added across the double bond and a 1,2-diol known as glycols are obtained. This reaction is known as hydroxylation of alkenes. Questions can be asked how hydroxylation of alkenes are conducted by means of using a Bayes reagent. Now just let us take an example, ethylene. When it is treated with alkaline KMnO4 solution at a temperature of 298 to 303 Kelvin, this is the product, that means ethane di 1,2-diol, that means the double bond of ethylene. Ethylene possesses a double bond. One bond breaks, that is a double bond breaks, and two valencies are formed for the carbon atom. Each one is satisfied by two OH groups, so each valency or each bond is satisfied by OH group. That is how we get ethane 1,2-diol. Other byproducts are manganese dioxide and potassium hydroxide. You have to balance the equation. This test is known as Bayes reagent. What happens when propene, giving another chemical compound which is unsaturated, treated with cold dilute alkaline KMnO4? What happens? That is observation. Propene is an unsaturated compound, therefore the color disappears, the pink color disappears, and write the balanced equation. Try to do this question. The decolorization of Bayes reagent by an unknown compound indicates the presence of a carbon-carbon multiple bond in it. If an organic compound which is unknown whether it is saturated or unsaturated treated with Bayes reagent, if the Bayes reagent is become colorless, that compound is an unsaturated compound. Second point, hot and concentrated KMnO4 solution. When the conditions are more drastic, an alkene is heated with concentrated KMnO4 solution. Cleavage of the double bond present in the alkene take place. Both the sigma and pi bonds of the double bond get cleaved. That means when you use a hot concentrated KMnO4, what happens is that both the double bond breaks. Both, that means pi bond and the sigma bond breaks in single step. Depending upon the nature of the double bond, the products are carbon dioxide, carboxylic acid, and ketone. That means depending upon the groups attached on the carbon atom. This is the carbon-carbon double bond. The groups attached on both the sides of the carbon atom, the products are entirely different. It can be carbon dioxide, it can be carboxylic acid, it can be a ketone. Examples are given here. First example, ethylene. You have to write the equation knowing all the chemical formula involved in this chemical equation. First one, ethylene when subjected to oxidation using concentrated, hot concentrated KMnO4. You have to write KMnO4 hot concentrated above the arrow. Temperature is 373 to 383 Kelvin. Carbon dioxide and water are formed. That is the product. Along with the reactant for all the hot concentrated KMnO4, use nascent oxygen as a reactant on the left hand side. Along with the reactant, write KMnO4 and the temperature below or above the arrow. That means when you write these three equations, remember nascent oxygen should be added along with the reactant. And in the product, you should write hot concentrated KMnO4 and the temperature what is mentioned in the chemical reaction, that is 373 to 383 Kelvin. Second example, propene. You should know the formula of propene, structural formula with the double bond. When it is heated with a hot concentrated KMnO4 at the temperature 373 to 383 Kelvin, acetic acid is formed. It is also known as ethanoic acid. Carbon dioxide and water are the other byproducts. ISC question: how will you prepare acetic acid from propene using hot concentrated KMnO4? When you learn the chemical equations, try to solve the ISC questions also, so that it is easy for you to attempt the questions for the examination. Third question, pent-2-ene. You should know the formula of pent-2-ene. When heated with hot concentrated KMnO4 at a temperature of 373 to 383 Kelvin, propanoic acid is formed. You should know the formula of propanoic acid and acetic acid are the product. Two acids are formed when pent-2-ene is subjected to treatment with hot concentrated KMnO4. Fill in the blank question can also be asked. They will give you the pent-2-ene and subjected to oxidation. Dash and dash are the products. Like that, fill in the blank question. Now, fourth example, 2-methyl propene. You should know the formula. When it is heated with hot concentrated KMnO4 at 373 to 383 Kelvin, acetone or propan-2-on, carbon dioxide and water are formed. Write the equation. ISC question: how will you prepare acetone from 2-methyl propene? This is the way, this is the application level. This is the chemical reaction that you are studying. But it is not necessary that this way what happens. When that way also can ask, this is another model of question. How will you prepare acetone from 2-methyl propene? Another method is that what happens when 2-methyl propene when heated with the hot concentrated KMnO4 at 373 to 383 Kelvin. You have to write the balanced equation for it. Now, ozonolysis, next chemical property.